Hey guys, welcome back to the another video. Today we'll start with the topic that is disease causes and control. So today we'll basically know about viruses and the different types of diseases, that is the infectious diseases. So let's start. So what is the first topic under this is what is virus. So guys, we know that the virus are extremely small substance are made up of nucleic acid, that is RNA, okay, and proteins. So viruses are what they are very small, means smaller than the bacteria also, and are made up of nucleic acid and proteins. So I have represented some of the 3D diagram of the bacteria and viruses. That is, first one you can see is bacillus, it is a bacteria, okay. Second one you can see is a vibrio, that is again a type of a bacteria again. Then is spirillum, okay. These are all types of bacteria present, okay. Next, one more type of bacteria is streptococcus, okay. After this picture you can see streptococcus where they forms a chain, okay. Then you can see staphylococcus, means it's a 3D view for which it will be a clarity for you all. Then staphylococcus you can see. Next, just a moving model of bacillus, and it's all about bacteria, okay guys. Next, there is a 3D model of a Ebola virus. I guess you have heard about this virus. Next, we'll go for a difference between a virus and bacteria, that is how do viruses differ from bacteria. So from the point of view you can understand that viruses are very small, visible only by electron microscope, whereas bacteria are very larger than virus and can be seen with the help of light microscope. In virus, no cellular, okay, and in bacteria are single celled. Viruses have no metabolism, bacteria have metabolism. Viruses take no food by any method, but bacteria take food by absorption. Viruses do not grow and do not divide, but bacteria grow in size and divide to produce more bacteria. Viruses can be crystallized, but bacteria cannot be crystallized. Viruses command the host cell to produce virus, and bacteria self-produce, and virus also produce disease in man, animals and plant, whereas bacteria are some harmless, some useful, and some disease producing also bacteria are there. So this is the difference between bacteria and virus, okay guys. Next is whenever we are suffering from any disease, we heard about the incubation period. So what is incubation period? Incubation period is the period between the entry of germs and the appearance of the first symptom of the disease. So it is the period time, okay, where the germ get entered to our body and the first symptom of the first appearance in the body of that diseases, okay guys. Very easy. So last part of this topic and this chapter is disease caused by bacteria. So first one is tuberculosis caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, okay guys. So its incubation period is 2 to 10 weeks. It can be transmitted through air, dust, sputum of infected person. What are the symptoms of tuberculosis? Persistent cough, bloody mucus, loss of weight and fatigue, chest pain, breathlessness, okay. Prevention is BCG vaccination and isolation of patient. Second one is cholera, Vibrio cholerae. It is the incubation period is few hours to 6 days, contaminated by water, food and drinks, and spread by flies, okay. What are the symptoms? Acute diarrhea, vomiting, abdominal pain, dehydration, reduced urination. And the prevention is proper sanitation, control of flies, avoid exposed food, anti-cholera injection. It is written anto, so don't be confused, it is anti-cholera injection, okay guys. And the last one is typhoid caused by Salmonella typhi. Incubation period is 7 to 21 days. It is basically the mode of transmission is contaminated water, milk and through flies. The symptoms are high fever, rise in afternoon, acute headache, red nose, reddish eruption on the chest and diarrhea. The prevention method is proper sanitation, anti-typhoid vaccination. This much is the things you have to follow it out for these diseases, means 3 diseases, okay guys. So guys, the topic is over. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Share with your friends, okay, and we are planning for 100 subscribers, don't forget it. Next video will be dropped down within few days, and yeah, thank you guys.
Maybach music. Can anybody out there